Buzz and Bob. Beach adventure. This is Buzz and her cousin Bob. They are going on holiday to an adventure camp. Hello, I'm Buzz and I love adventure sports. Hello, I'm Bob. I can do everything. Buzz and Bob arrive at the camp. Buzz is very excited. Look, Bob, what shall we do first? One Monday, the dried BMS bikes. Green, this is great. Be careful, Bob. One Tuesday, they go rock climbing. Look out for the rock. Look out for the rocks, Bob. Ouch! Buzz helps Bob to the top. One Wednesday, they go rafting. Bob is very scared. His face goes green. Come on, Bob. This is great. One Thursday, Buzz and Bob go caving in an underground cave. There are lots of bears. It's dark in here. I don't like bears. One Friday, they go surfing. They do surfing tricks. Look at me, I'm a great surfer. Oh no, you are not. One Saturday, they go parachuting. They jumped, fall through the air burst. Oh no, something is wrong. Can you save Bob? Buzz catches Bob. They float down to the earth. Thanks, Buzz. You saved me. Well done, Buzz. You are very brave. You're special. Prize is a bungee jump. Great. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Eric the engine. One day there was a big storm. Lightning struck a mountain and hills. Rock rolled onto the train. Live. Seagull saw what happened. He called his friends rabbits, fox, and mouse. We must move it. Day 10:15 London. Train will be here in an hour, says Rabbit. The animals tried to move it. They pushed and pushed, but it would not move. I know, said Fox. Let's get Eric the engine. He is stronger than all of us. There no time, says Mouse. I'll get him, shouted Seagull. Help! They a dog on the train line. The London train is coming very soon. Eric tooted his whistle and called his friends. His friends also Irene gave those around. Eric was best and strong but not very fast. He asked her express train to go ahead. You go first, Daniel said. Eric and her sent his friends ahead. I'll follow you. The Eriness raced along, but the London train was getting close. The trains arrived. The two express trains pushed, but the rock couldn't move. The London train was coming over the hill. Two more engines arrived then. They pushed to the rock, moved a little, But the London train was coming round the corner. They can't do it, says Mouse. Then Eric arrived. The tooted his whistle and pushed with all his strength. He pushed the four engineers, and the four engineers pushed the rock. Sorry, the rock moved. Then it rolled faster and faster until it fell over the cliff. The London train ride is raced past the arena, sent the animals who were waiting on the odd line. The train blew its horn. Thank you.